Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to give a shout out to everybody that recognizes Chasing Tails Fly Fishing and Fly Skills on Instagram. And basically, all we're trying to do is increase the demographic, let all people in. And this is to target everybody. This here, this is just on a different level, but it's chilling. Every Friday night, 9 o'clock. Don't be late. New show coming on YouTube. Chasing Tails Fly Fishing, VISE City. If you love tying, if tying is your thing, this is gonna be your thing. VISE City is where it's at. Every Friday, 9 o'clock. We'll have special guests. Check out some time videos. Talk about things that relate to fishing that we go through as guys that are on it every day, killing it. Don't forget to check us out. Chasing Tails Fly Fishing.com. Chasing Tails Fly Fishing on YouTube.